guys, this is Jamilia from Growave. Thank you for joining for this video. And today we're going to talk about Instagram shoppable galleries and the Shopify stores. Shopify is a great e-commerce platform that makes it easy to set up an online store and to run it. And as the world goes digital, so do shopping habits. But how do you actually attract attention of online shoppers at the scale that will satisfy you? A compelling online store equipped with different marketing tools. This is where Shopify actually takes center stage to optimize your business goals and your processes. Shopify allows you to add products to your store, manage your orders and delivery and inventories perfectly, connect to different marketing channels like Growave, for example, and much more. But setting up online store is only the first step. You also do need customers. And how do you start generating sales on your online store? Today we're going to talk about Instagram and how you can link your Instagram profile to your Shopify store. No secret that Instagram is a really great platform that combines both your social media presence together with e-commerce. Creating your own store on Instagram is quite easy. However, it is better if you can integrate it together with your Shopify store, so it is easier to manage all in one place. For your store to succeed on Instagram, you should integrate Instagram galleries together with your Shopify stores. You can compose beautiful, stunning Instagram galleries, make them shoppable, and create purchasing options directly through on your site utilizing those shoppable Instagram galleries. This will help you to drive further sales through those Instagram shoppable galleries, and you will actually provide opportunity for your customers to buy directly from you, whether they're shopping on Instagram or on your Shopify store. This will also allow you to actually use power of user-generated content to build trust and increase sales on your online store. And remember that every photo can sell and can drive further sales for you. Every image on Instagram actually sells your product already, and the better quality photos and the better content will help and increase your chances of driving further sales. By tagging your products on those pictures will help you to drive the sales and will help your customers to make instant purchases directly on the picture. You can link your Instagram profile to your existing store on Shopify. And it wouldn't take long and it shouldn't be too complicated. However, you might be wondering, why do you actually need to do that? The logic is pretty simple. Those two platforms are intertwined. However, you will be required to manage your inventory from two separate places if you do not integrate it. And integrating Instagram shoppable galleries into your Shopify store will allow you to manage all of your inventory from one place. Growave is a great solution in this case because in just 3 clicks you can easily integrate your Instagram shoppable galleries and create beautiful, stunning galleries directly in your Shopify store that will allow your customers to purchase from the picture, which will consecutively drive sales for your store. Growave allows you to customize those beautiful galleries, select different layouts, showcase your pictures, and also select different color schemes and fonts to match your branding of the store. You can also choose different layout for those galleries, such as masonry, grid, listing, and the slider, and then embed it on every page of your website to drive further sales and increase your revenue. Alright, so that is all for this video, and if you liked it, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. Have a good day!